Now what do you do?
Alright, give me a little pull. Let me see what's up.
Whoa, it's moving.
Okay. Ready? Yep.
Here
How big
goes.
is that knot? Huh? How big is that knot? About a quarter of the way through the tree. We can't see much. Alright. I'd keep steady. Like, grip your hands, lay your body, put your feet way up front, you just lay your body on it so it don't wear you out. Alright, because this is going to be a while.
Uh,
Yeah, it'll be a while before I get through with my cut, but at any time, one of these fractures may force it a little sooner than I'm expecting. You know what I mean? Yep.
watch out, guys! Watch out! Oh my God! I thought they were squashed for sure. That was awesome. Tristan, was that your first time? That was awesome. My God, I thought Eli and Steve were roadkill. Yeah, it did. I thought you guys were dead.
Yeah, about 10 foot, didn't it? For real. Oh, that's fun.
Did you guys get scared as hell? Were you guys scared?
10 foot's been all you had, man. There ain't been a day at tree work that I ain't been scared.
True that. That was cool.
No, there's 3 foot actually even. 3 foot? I mean, it's only 10 foot wide. Yeah, I expected to hit right. So I made Eli come to my side. It's pretty tall. Alright. Get your ropes. I'm ready to go home. My hands hurt.